Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE S61 Pro, and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with the most important thing, which is the internet connection. I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Then we can enter the Play Store, and another important thing is the Google account. So if you've got your Google account currently added to the device, you will be able to follow all of these steps. If not, you will have to either sign up right now or log in, so you'll be able to use the Google Play Store. Alright, so let's tap on this circle, which is your account, and tap on Manage Apps and Device. Here we have to tap on Manage, and as you can see, right here we've got the list of all apps which are currently on this device, and we have to tap on Updates Available in order to check which one we can update. As you can see, in my case, 21 apps, and it's up to you. Of course, you can mark all of them and update all, but you can also choose like 2 or 3 different apps. Let me choose Google Chrome, so simply mark the app, maybe Google Meet and Google Messages. So after marking, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically applied. So the app will be automatically updated. You do not really have to do anything more. Just wait patiently. Everything will work in the background, so you can do whatever you want on your device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.